almost finished to prepare all the stuff that we need for our trip to Boston and Cape Cod. I guess we'll have to get up at about 6, get Padraig ready, get all the stuff into the car, drive out to the airport, and then see what happens. It's the first time that he's returning to Cape Cod and to the America after the accident that he had almost 5 years ago. So it's going to be a difficult trip, I guess.
Is this the junction?
We're going to meet a few people in Cape Cod that he got to know when he was there, and some people that got to know him when he was there, but he never really realized that that happened, because he was in a deep coma when he was in the hospital.